Hello class 7th. Welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. One request, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And please keep posting your comments and asking your queries. That is the only way I can be connected with you. So let's begin our today's session. Class 7th. Please listen. Today we will wind up this chapter by covering two leftover questions. One is filling the blanks and second one is match the following. So let's discuss that. The dash shows the data inside the chart area along with the chart. You remember when we were doing Excel practical aspects, I have shown you in layout tab we can insert the data table, and in the chart data table is there, right? The table of the data is below the chart area, so that is data table. So a data table shows the data inside the chart area. Next one, effective software or effective chart of displaying the trends over a period of time, line chart. One thing, if you are having the book, you can write down the answers directly in that, or if you don't have, just write down the answers somewhere in the rough. After that you can note it down there. The chart is a pictorial representation of data everywhere. Every time I have told you this thing, the chart is a pictorial representation of data. The x-axis is known as category axis and the y-axis is known as value axis. Remember now? The dash chart is like a column chart lying on its side. So bar chart is like a column chart that lie on a side. Dash covers the actual data area of the chart. Plot area covers the actual data area of the chart. Legends help us to distinguish between different categories of data. Yes, in the chart legends are there now with different series to distinguish different series or different categories. Legends are drawn of different colors. Fine. Sparklines create the miniature chart inside the data sheet. It shows the trends of the particular row. Now match the following, right? Just you go through. After that I will show all the charts on the Excel sheet also. Pie chart compares the data of single series. Line chart compare the trends over the period of time. My dear student, please pay attention. I have written the correct answer. This was actually match the following. So I have matched the correct answer in front of each question, right? These are the correct answers. Scattered chart shows the relationship between the data series. Bar chart display the horizontal column. Column chart displays the vertical column. Now let's go to the Excel sheet and just a very quick recapitulation of all these charts. First, what type of chart was there? Pie chart. Let's see how pie chart. For this particular graph where days and temperatures are mentioned, so what kind of how pie chart will look like? I am drawing 2D pie this, and this is what legends, which shows different series of data. Clear? Next one was line chart, right? Let's draw a line chart. Go to insert. This is the line chart look like. Fine. This line chart look like, remember? Next, bar chart, scattered chart. See here what it shows, relationship between data series. See, series temperature of Sunday here, this series temperature point Monday, right? Different data series you can draw. Next one is bar chart and column chart. Let's draw a bar chart. 2D bar I'll draw. It's a horizontal. Clear? So have you seen कि for the same type of data represent, so different representation, data is same but the representation are different. So what we can conclude कि for the same data different types of pictorial representations are possible. Am I clear? So if the whole chapter is clear to you, please let me know through comment box, and thank you. Have a nice day.